garage, folks. That's right.
Welcome to Mike's Garage, folks. All right. Hey, everybody. Good morning. We are at Mike's place this morning.
Good morning. Welcome to Mike's Garage.
Welcome to Mike's Garage. So what we are dealing with this morning is Mike's son's TJ, and it has a nasty driveline vibration. So I thought I'd take the opportunity today to go over a little bit of driveline science. So this Jeep is equipped with a Ford 8.8 in the back and a double cardan drive shaft. Just to give you a little bit of terminology, this is a cardan joint. This, on the other hand, is called a double cardan joint because there's two U-joints. This is not a CV joint. This is a double cardan joint. Now, the important thing with a double cardan drive shaft is that when you set this up in the Jeep, the pinion angle here should only be within a degree or two from fully straight. So we're talking only about 1 or 2 degrees. His angle there is a little bit more severe than that, and as a result, he suffered with driveline vibrations up at high speed. So how are we going to fix that? Well, what we're going to do is install some adjustable upper rear control arms. This is the solution to this problem. Alright, there we go. That driveline angle is considerably better than what we had before. Okay, so we got a little bit of an angle here between the driveline and the pinion, and it's okay to have a little bit of downward pinion angle by a couple degrees because when you accelerate, the pinion is going to tip up, but you don't want it to exceed that straight line between the driveline and the pinion and go up, so you leave that built-in degrees going down just a little bit. That'll take the vibration out, or that happens more so with leaf-sprung vehicles, where when you accelerate, the pinion goes up really high. There's more flexibility in leaf springs, but because we have fixed control arms with rubber joints, that migration of the pinion going up is considerably less so than with a leaf sprung vehicle. And just guessing, I made these upper control arms 1 inch longer than factory. I don't have an angle finder here, but that looks pretty damn good. So next thing we need to do is take it for a test drive and see what happens.
Shit balls, I think we got it.
All right, well, Chaz moved Chewy out of the way here. That's it. Now this is bulk trash pickup, just so y'all don't think I'm, hey, that was close. I missed it. He was very close. He wanted to kiss my Jeep. Here's another good Jeep right here. Let's take a look-see here. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. That's pretty. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay, I'm done.
I don't know what these shenanigans are, but we have the hood up already. I'm kind of getting afraid of driving this thing. Tell ya. Can you get in okay?
Well, you know, ow.
Touch. Okay, I'll beep that one out.
And action. And here we are taking it for a test drive. All right.
You know, if you turn that around, you can see the screen.
Oh, that is better. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. There you are. Okay.
Jesus, that reverberates.
I don't feel any vibration, do you?
I don't feel a vibration either. I feel like I'm in a concert with really bad bass.
What's that? I know, right? Dude, it's not vibrating. Give some gas. Sorry. That's not right. I don't know how fast it's going, but it's way better.
I don't feel vibration at all.
It's great. I had to use effort because I'm stoked. Stoked.
Yeah.
I won't say who, but a certain shop said that they would not fix the vibration. Don't you say who?
Huh?
I won't say who, I said.
You won't say the name?
No, do not. Don't you dare.
Starts with D and ends with that.
No. Oh my gosh, it's so much better.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, the steering.
Everything, the whole thing is loose.
Yeah.
Bushings are loose, steering is loose.
Well, that's why you're here.
Jeep wants to just go all over the place.
Loosey goosey.
Yeah.
What are you gonna do about that?
What am I going to do
Yeah,
about
what are you
this?
gonna do about that? What would you do?
I'm going to have to throw a lot of bushings at it.
Okay.
Probably some steering components.
Yeah.
And we're going to have to do something about that exhaust because it's droning like a you-know-what.
Mm-hmm. Can you feel it on your butt? Oh, that's why it's, yeah, okay, no, you don't, because see, I'm getting that confused with the vibration when it was vibrating before. It was so bad. It goes, like you would.
Well, the muffler is rubbing on the transfercase skid plate.
Right.
You have exhaust beams coming into the Jeep.
Yeah.
So if you're stuck in traffic, you're going to asphyxiate and die.
Right. Get the exhaust done first then, probably. That'd be the next step.
At least, if nothing else, a hanger just to get it up off the skid plate. I would go with something really quiet. I mean, I like a quiet exhaust. I've been through that phase where I want a loud exhaust. I'm done with that.
Yeah.
I'm sold.
So what do you think?
Well, I believe these control arms solved your problem.
Yep, they did. I agree. Oh, dude, it wasn't even recording the whole time. I don't know what I did. Just kidding. I gotcha.
I knew I shouldn't have given you this gimbal.
I know I'm terrible. I love it.
All right, that's it for today. We got his driveline vibration all squared away. We did find some exhaust manifold problems, so that's going to be a project coming up in the future. If you find me for the first time, please consider a like, a comment, or a share. All of these things really help me out, and I love reading your comments. If you're returning to the right line, welcome back. See you again next time.
Gotta keep cool. That's right. Gotta keep cool. Oh, scratch the other thing. We're talking about the AC here.
Hi, Mike.
Hi, Chad.
There are other things going on with this Jeep, of course.
I'm just glad I told you what to adjust. You want to maybe do it an inch longer. I think that was a good idea I had.
Well, that was a guess, making that thing an inch longer.
Yeah. Okay, it wasn't my guess. It was yours.